Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the cavity thermostat in your microwave oven, be sure to unplug the power cord or shut off the power supply. Open the door and use a Phillips head screwdriver to unthread the 2 screws securing the front vent. You can use a putty knife to help pry off the vent. Next, use a small flathead screwdriver to pull down the cavity thermostat access panel. Reach in and slide the thermostat forward to detach, then disconnect the 2 wires. Install the new cavity thermostat by first connecting the wires to the terminals. Then slide the thermostat back to secure it in the slot in the cavity liner. Positioned properly, the thermostat should be visible through the small hole in the liner. Secure the access panel in the tabs. Reinstall the front vent by aligning the top edge first, then press the bottom edge into place. Thread the 2 screws to secure. Plug the power cord back in or restore the power supply, and your microwave oven should be ready for use.